Kia India is all set to introduce its fourth model in the country, and the automaker has confirmed that the upcoming KY3 Row MPV will be christened the Kia Carens. The Carens name has been around in Kia's global lineup and was originally a compact MPV first launched in 1999. It was on sale until 2018 across several markets. While that model has been discontinued, the name is now being revived in India for a new multi-seater offering. Kia has also dropped the first teaser for the Carens, showing off its LED daytime running lights, the chrome surround on the Tiger Nose grille, and new LED tail lights. The all-new Kia Carens will be based on the Seltos compact SUV, but will be longer and will get the option of 6 or 7 seats. It's also likely to pack more creature comforts over the Seltos. The new Kia Carens will make its global debut on the 16th of December this year. Triumph Motorcycles has announced a historic milestone as it revealed the 1 millionth motorcycle built since the brand's return in 1990. The 1 millionth Triumph is a one-off custom-painted Tiger 900 Rally Pro, which was unveiled at the brand's global headquarters in Hinckley in the UK. The adventure motorcycle gets a custom silver paint scheme as well as 1 millionth graphics. The special milestone Tiger 900 Rally Pro will be displayed on Triumph's stand at this year's Motorcycle Live show later this week in the UK. Triumph Motorcycles will also celebrate its 120th anniversary in 2022. The very first production Triumph motorcycle went on sale in April 1902, while the brand's modern era began in 1990 with a completely new range of motorcycles. Over the past 3 decades, Triumph has sold more motorcycles than any previous time in the brand's history. It has a network of over 700 dealers across 57 countries. The Delhi government has decided to reduce the value-added tax on petrol to 19.4% from the earlier 30%. Following the reduction, petrol prices in the national capital will be slashed by 8 rupees per litre. The revised prices will come into effect in Delhi from midnight today. As of 1st of December, petrol prices in Delhi stand at 103 rupees and 97 paise per litre. From the 2nd of December, petrol will come down to 95 rupees and 97 paise per litre. Prices for diesel remain unchanged. Back in November, the central government announced a reduction in excise duty on petrol and diesel. While the price of petrol was reduced to 5 rupees per litre, diesel became cheaper by 10 rupees per litre, bringing fuel prices slightly down from the record high levels. At the time, the centre had urged state governments to reduce the value-added tax levied on petrol and diesel.
We simply love hearing from you. So your comments and feedback are important. Subscribe to our channel, react to this video, and of course, watch our other videos too.